Masarap. Nice. Go to a movie after this.
Nihintay ko pa guys yung order ko, yung chicken and rice. Yay! Thank you.
Chicken. You got your rice in
Na
there?
yung chicken. Tapos after namin mag-dinner, mag-movie kami ng aking mister. Yan. Kakain muna ako guys. Bye-bye! Grabe, sobrang visit dito ngayon. Maganda talaga dito sa ano, Botage, right? The pronunciation is Botage.
Botage.
Oh, palagi silang busy. Tsaka maganda dito guys kasi kahit yung manager nila, palaging alert.
Gusto na lang natin.